Luminous and non-luminous object. You can see many objects around us which provides us light. These objects which gives us light are called as luminous objects. Sun, burning candle, bulb, tube light, all these are the examples of luminous object. Many objects around us do not have their own light. They can be seen only in the presence of luminous object. These objects are non-luminous object. Pen, paper, table, chair, all these are the examples of non-luminous object. Properties of light. Light has the following properties. Light always travels in a straight line. Whenever an object comes in the path of light, it blocks the path and shadow of that object is formed. That is why whenever you step out in a sunny day, you can see your shadow on the road. Light bounces back from smooth and shiny surface. Whenever light falls on a surface which is smooth or shiny like plain mirror, it bounces back. That is why you can see your clear image in a mirror. Light bends when it goes from one medium to another. Whenever light travels from air to water or from water to glass, it bends. Whenever light falls on any object, it may allow light to pass through it completely or partially, or it may not allow light to pass through it at all. Based on this, we can classify all the materials into three categories: transparent, opaque, and translucent. Transparent objects. There are some objects which allow light to pass through them completely. These objects are called as transparent objects. We are able to see clearly through a transparent object. Some examples of transparent objects are glass, water, cellophane paper, and air. Opaque object. There are some objects which do not allow light to pass through them. These objects are called as opaque object. We cannot see through an opaque object at all. Examples of opaque objects are wood, metal, cardboard, etc. Translucent objects. There are some objects through which we can see but not very clearly. These objects are translucent objects. They allow only a part of light to pass through them. Some examples of translucent objects are frosted glass, wax paper. Light always travels in a straight line. Thus, whenever light strikes on an opaque object, a dark patch is obtained. This dark patch is called as shadow. Shadows always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Means, if the source of light is on the left side of the object, then shadow of the object will be formed on the right side. When the object comes closer to the source of light, the size of shadow increases, while it decreases when the object moves away from the source of light. A shadow does not have any color, it is always black. Shadows formed in the morning and evening are longer in comparison to the shadows formed at the noon, because during morning and evening sun is near the horizon, so the sun rays are slanting, while at noon sun becomes directly overhead in the sky, so the sun rays fall straight on us, due to which shortest shadow is formed at noon.